long time since my last video. I have been so busy. I finally found a house and moved in. I've started a business. We got a dog. I've still been out doing photography and recording videos for you guys, but I just haven't had time to edit them. From watching Iberian lynx from a hide in Spain, that was a massive life highlight. I've been to the Kalahari Desert with my parents, with my family, my brother as well, and our partners, and had a lovely time there. Loads and loads of stuff to show you from that. I was doing loads of filming with a rewilding charity called Heal Rewilding, so I've got a few clips in their movie, which is really cool. So yeah, and I'm going to the Kruger Park soon, both to see visit my parents, and also to go into the Kruger Park on my own, which will be really fun. So hopefully I'll be able to get some videos and photos for you then as well as give you some tips for a Kruger wildlife photography trip, beyond just good camera and lens choices, but other things like how to find animals, to practical tips like how to keep your cameras and lenses accessible but also safe on bumpy roads, different camera mount and rest options for the car, and most critically, what the best South African teas and biscuits are. Other than that though, here's a bit of a preview as to what is going to come.